Hata hivyo, baraza la magavana limewatahadharisha madaktari ambao wanaendelea na mgomo wao kwamba iwapo hawatarejea kazini kufikia siku ya Jumatano wiki hii, basi watafutwa kazi. Mwenyekiti wa baraza la magavana, Gavana Peter Munya, amesema kwamba madaktari walikuwa wamepewa pendekezo la kutosha la asilimia 40, lakini wakalikataa. Pia amesema madaktari hao hawatapokea malipo ya mwezi wa Disemba ama mshahara ya mwezi wa Disemba kufuatia mgomo wao ambao leo uliingia siku ya 37.
Those who do not resume work, then the process of taking disciplinary action against them begins on Wednesday this week. All county government to issue them with show cause letters why action should not be taken on them, and then the process of those who will not again go back to work according to public service regulations will be followed.
We must realize that it takes two to negotiate, and therefore the promise of delivering a CBA is still there, and I urge the striking doctors through their union members and officials to reconsider their position, and we still come to the negotiating table to quickly be able to agree on how to alleviate the suffering of Kenyans.
And we have all agreed as a council that you can't pay for work that is not being done. And this is something that we have all agreed to ensure that those doctors that don't come back, like our chair has indicated, the Council of Governors has made a resolution that there will be no salary. And I think that needs to come out very clearly.